Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. In this video, I am going to tell you iOS 17 update after geometry days not opening and crashing problem. Lot of iOS 17's user has been reporting to in my iPhone geometry days not opening and crashing problem. When I open the geometry days app automatically close. Here fix this issue. Before the starting this video, please make sure you have subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. In this video, I give you some solutions apply on your iPhone and easy to fix this issue. Solutions number 1 is update or reinstall applications. If you reinstall now, please make sure press and hold the geometry days applications. Now tap on the remove app and remove from your iPhone. Now the strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone, open the App Store. Open the App Store after top corner search bar. In the search bar, search Geometry Days applications. When the searching is completed Geometry Days, if you any update available now, please make sure latest versions to update your applications, otherwise again install your app. Sometimes problem in your iPhone. Now the second solution is restart your iPhone and iPad. Now again open the settings. In the settings scroll down and tap on the general. In general now last option is shutdown. Now the slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad. This is the best way of the geometry days crashing problem fix. Now the third one is some researching of these problems. I know iOS 17 they dropped the support for the 32-bit applications. So you wait for the 2.2 and so basically wait until October until an update. When the geometry days new update available, in this update iOS 17 problem fix. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.